Hello subscribers, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. I appreciate y'all for commenting. Thank you, new subscribers, just commenting. Just made my day. Just made me so happy. Made me want to make a video. Like, I love when y'all comment on my videos. It really makes me excited and gives me that little push to keep on doing it, because every other day I'm just like, man, I'm gonna stop doing this. I'm gonna stop making these videos because I don't get no subscribers. I get one subscriber and then they go back. Like, it goes 47, 48, 47, 48. Now it's at 47 subscribers. So yeah, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because a bitch is happy and she about to be like, oh, cloud nine. Like, I'm so happy. I'm about to be posting all the time. So guess what? I just got off work and it was my last day. Oh my god, I am so happy. You do not understand, bro. Like, OMG. All day today stuff was happening. I was just like, it's my last day. I don't have to deal with this no more. This is my last time doing this. This is my last time walking in this room. This is my last time seeing you people. Like, I was so excited. Oh, other good news, if you haven't noticed already, my app is on Google Play. Oh my goodness. It's so crazy because I prayed about it yesterday. I was like, God, allow my app to be approved on Google Play today. And it was crazy, like clockwork. As soon as I looked down at my phone, I got an email from Google saying that your app is now on Google Play, available on Google Play. I was like, God, I thank you. Ain't God good? Won't he do it? Yes, he will. And he sure did. I was so happy. I was just like, that is amazing. Like, God be working fast, bro. Yes. So I'm so excited. Go ahead and download that app. It's completely free. My new app is called Lovers and Friends. About to pop up on the screen now. And the link is below in the description. So you can just go ahead, click the link, and it takes you right to the Google front store. If you do not have Google and you have Apple, I'm working on it. I'm working on getting in there. Like, Apple is so picky. They are so picky. Like, it's crazy. So I'm working on it. If you do not have an Android or any Google device, you can go ahead and I'm gonna put the link for my web app in the description. You can just click the link and then go straight to the app. No problem. No work on your plate. This is like completely free and it's for LGBTQ people. Sugar dating. I don't know if you do that. Have you ever heard of sugar dating? When you date somebody who is wealthy and they basically, treat you right, spoil you for your time and energy and putting up with them, all that other stuff. If you're interested in that, go ahead. You can find it on my app. It's right there. And I'm gonna get it on Apple. Like, I had to do some stuff. Apparently there's too many dating apps on Apple, and I'm just like, it's never too many. I mean, I feel like there's not enough LGBTQ apps at all. However, to each his own. I'll probably end up like doing something different to the app, which is only just benefits you. Like, it just makes the app better for you. I mean, I think it's pretty great already. Like, you got your matching, you got your maps, see who's in your area, you got your rating and comments. You can leave feedback about people. Like, you on a date with somebody and you're just like, oh, they're just not a great person. You can leave that feedback for the people, other people, help other people out. But we ain't got time for time wasters this year. It also has a video chat built into the app, so no catfishing this year. We don't got time for that. So my app is pretty darn dope. Like, I like it. It's cool. It doesn't have any ads yet. So go ahead and download it before the ads get to it. So yeah, I'm in a great mood. Since I just made a dating social networking app, it's only right that I talk about how to be successful on the app, how to find your mate or whatever you're looking for on the app. So first off, knowing how to talk to people. First thing first, to get a mate or whatever you're trying to get from my site, you need confidence. That's what I have. I ooze confidence. She knows she fine. Hey, so that's very important. Confidence is key. Confidence is sexy. Have confidence. Approach people with confidence. So, for instance, when I see a fine girl her confidently and be like, hi. First of all, to be confident, feel confident, you have to dress confident. You have to feel it. You know, you gotta be sure of yourself. So I dress with swag. I mean, I have my own style. As you see, I always have a bandana on. That's my style now. All because of Milli Vanilli. I think it's Willie for Millie or Millie for Willie. I think that's, I can't remember. But two guy group. One has passed away. Rest in peace to him. But they were popular back in the day. They lip synced. Ask your parents about it. They know. And it's crazy because people lip sync like crazy, ghost right and everything, and they were just born in the wrong time. So yeah, you should just feel confident. I dress with confidence. I have my own stack, own swag. I know I'm fine. So that right there, I lead with that. like when you approach somebody, do not think of rejection. I do not think of rejection when I approach somebody. I automatically I do my power pose and I say what I have to say. So every morning, wake up, or every day, every time you look in the mirror, be like, bitch, you bad. Like, oh, or ooh, you bad, or dude, you're bad. Like, this advice is for everybody. The profile. Your profile is super important. Only post good pictures of yourself, but not like pictures that make you look like a catfish. Like, that's not gonna work. When I say good pictures, if you are a great smile, if your focal point, your best point about your face is your nose or something, post pictures of your nose that shows off your nose, boo. Like, oh, her nose cute. That's gonna get you the likes, the messages. Like, you just make your profile look presentable. So post good pictures of yourself that are relatable and believable. So if you don't be posting selfies of you like, I don't know, maybe people like that. If you only went to the beach once in your whole life, don't post pictures of you on the beach in a bikini unless you look good in that bikini. But again, that is a thirst trap picture post. Don't do that if you don't want no thirst trap. If you looking for something serious, post serious pictures. Not like, oh, I'm in a business suit type of pictures. It's freaking fool. Trust. You ain't even supposed to be in that lane. Get over. Come on now. I'm gonna get over because I can't. So post good pictures. Like, I had posted a picture. In fact, go to my social, go ahead and click that link that goes to my app, and you will see a picture of me in that app on how my profile picture is. Like, you'll see my whole profile picture. I actually have a silly picture of me. If you follow me, if you see me on any other dating site, I have a picture of me in the car making a face. I probably have one picture of me smiling, one picture of me serious. Like, that's how it is on my profile. It looks good. I have pictures of me just being normal. Like, if you're into something and you're like, oh, I like to snowboard or something, or you're like a snowboarder, post a picture of you snowboarding if you want to. If that is something that people might look at that and be like, that's interesting. That's something to stir up a conversation about. Like, with my profile page, I usually have stuff that stirs up a conversation. Like, one in my bio, I think it says, if you're a Libra, keep on walking. I don't have time for your kind. And I have 1,000 Libras. Like, I got like 4 messages last week from Libras, or people who are interested. Like, why do you not like Libras? Like, I know why I don't, but why do you not like Libras? I literally had a conversation with a Libra about their traits that are just not great. They were just like, yeah, I have that trait, but I'm working on it. I'm just like, that's great. I got a new friend that's a Libra. Wasn't looking for it, but it's cool. I need new friends. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that I automatically dislike you because you're a Libra. Like, yes, I am a certified Libra hater, but it's not that deep. Like, I have friends that are Libras. Like, I love September babies. All of the September babies. I have a sister that's a Libra. Like, I have an uncle that's a Libra. I have no problem with Libras being in my life. However, if I can choose, if I have a choice, Libras are just not going to be my first choice. Like, Tauruses are not going to be my first choice. My first choice, of course, is a Virgo because they're just the best. But, you know, if I'm keeping it 100, like you should on your dating profile, keep it 100. But if you are a 100% bitch, you might want want to turn it down to like a 50% bitch. Like, unless that is really who you are, you're okay with that. Like, you accept that, and people should accept that too. Like, they should expect your bitchiness. Like, they should know before they start or want to be your friend that you're going to be a bitch. Like, be a bitch, boo. Be the best bitch there is, boo. Own that bitch. You know? But, you know, you want to keep it pretty honest on your dating profile, because if people with my dating site, if you put something on your profile that is not 100% true, somebody's gonna call you out. Like, you got comments and feedbacks that you got to address. Like, you have to address these things. You gotta be 100% honest. And why not be honest? We are too grown. We are too grown not to be honest. So why not just go ahead and start out right and be honest? Also, on your profile, tell exactly what you're looking for. If you're looking for friends, put that I am looking for friends. Like, if you're looking for just friends, put I am looking for just friends. If you're open to being in a relationship, put that. Like, yeah, I'm looking for friends, but I'm open to a relationship. We'll see what happens. But first off, I am looking for friends. This is not a sneaky link. I don't want no booty call. Just not no smash and dash. Like, no. Is that the last one? Is that a food thing? Smash and dash? Smash my food and dash out? Maybe that's not a food thing. I'm always thinking about food. That's what it says on my profile. Fat kid. Always thinking about food. BBWs are my weakness. That's what my profile says. I think on my profile it says I'm looking for people to vibe with. I'm looking for friends. I'm looking for travel buddies. I am not looking for a relationship. You should know that by now about me. I do not want a relationship right now. If it happens, no. I'm not even letting it happen. Like, it's not happening right now. Knock on my door, hit me up when 30 comes. But right now, I'm just chilling. I'm vibing. I'm doing me. Just be honest on your profile. Make you sound interesting. That's number one. Make you sound interesting. That goes with the confidence thing. I think on my profile is really like, on my profile, it's not like a dating profile. It's just for friends. Like, you like me, you don't. I'm a Virgo. You should automatically like me. I'm a Virgo. I'm cool. I'll be like, that's what I hear from people. Oh yeah, you're a Virgo. Y'all vibe. Y'all cool people. Enough said. Like, on my profile, there's not much on there except for what I do not want and what I expect. Like, what I'm interested in. It's also good to, like, you know, give a little insight to you, but not giving too much. Like, don't give so much of yourself that you have nothing to talk about when somebody hits you up. That's not cool. That's not gonna work. You just gonna be in a dead conversation. And when it comes to the conversation part and messaging people, do not be having no dry butt conversations with people. People don't like that. Lead the conversation. When people are leading conversation, feeding into the conversation, contributing to the conversation, it makes the conversation better. It makes it keep on going. It makes people like you. I don't like it when it's a routine thing of like, hi, how are you doing? Like, you know how many times I get that throughout the day? I do it now. I just be like, hey, how you doing? Like, but some women is really dope though. Like, I don't stop doing that. People like when you're interested in their life and their day. Like, I like it that y'all are interested in my life and my day. Hi, thank you for tuning in. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Boo. Bam. Hit it. So yeah, when you start communicating with people, first off, when you see somebody you like, say hi. If they're gorgeous, be like, hi, gorgeous. Or you can be like me, I'm a little Mac. When it comes to talking to people, I'll be like, not looking for a relationship. But when I talk to somebody or I message somebody, I'm on Mac mode 24/7. If you fine, I'm just gonna be in Mac mode. It's just, I'm looking for friends. I just want to be your pretty friend, or you can be my pretty friend. We can just be friends. But automatically, if I see somebody gorgeous, I'll be like, hey, I'm pretty sure you've heard this 1,000 times today and you're probably a little tired about it, but I would absolutely hate myself or regret if I let this chance slip by without letting you know that you're absolutely gorgeous to me. I think you're gorgeous. That little bit right there is it's almost a paragraph. It's about 2 sentences. That would immediately get females' attention. And it usually does. Be like, oh my gosh, thank you. You're pretty too. And I'd be like, tell me something I don't know, like your number. You see how I snuck that in there? Yeah, that's how you do it. You smooth. You confident, boo. You be confident. You the Mac. You a Mac, boo. You can get any girl, any boy you want. They supposed to want you, boo. You the smell it? Yeah, that's you, boo. You ain't stepping gotta be confident, you know? So that's usually how I do. I'm a little Mac little thing, and it doesn't hurt if you're cute. If you're cute, you can get away with anything. If you need help getting cute, boo, makeup tips, go ahead and watch my video. I have a whole video about makeup. I do usually get ready, do my makeup into anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes it takes me to do my makeup. Now that video is a little longer because I'm giving you every little bit of it. I'm so good at it now. I do it every day. Also, what helps your confidence if you feel good about the way your body looks. Got a video for that. If you need help losing those last few little pounds, go ahead and look at my workout video. I literally gained my weight back to show you guys that my workout works. So a few weeks ago, like it's been 3 weeks, so I gained my weight back just to do my workout, to work out, so I can show you guys how my body has transformed. Now, before I did my workout, before everything else, I didn't have a butt. Now I have a butt. I got another butt. Like, I got more butt now. I didn't have a butt, then I got a butt, and then I gained my weight back, and then I got more weight, more butt now. If you can tell, she's skinny and she got booty. She got booty. She got booty. Do my workout at least 4 times a week. Just do it. Do that intermediate fasting, that, fast for 18, eat for 6. That works. Those pounds will just slide off. You do that every day. I'm on my 3rd week of doing this. Yo, she's skinty. Like, she's slim thick with my cute butt. That right there. Just feeling confident. You see that confidence I have? It just oozes out of me, So my confidence is good. You feel more confident and comfortable in your body when your body looks great. When you look in the mirror and be like, damn, I like what I see. That boosts your confidence. So, like I said, just lead with confidence. Do not, when you're messaging somebody, do not do that one-worded answer or anything. Do not do close-ended answers, close-ended conversation, close-ended sentences. When you reply back to someone's message, reply back with another thing you could say, like, oh, how was your day? My day was good. How was yours? When you, on the other side, it's like, oh, my day was good. Don't leave it at my day was good. My day was good. I worked out today, did some things today. I worked out, I ate something. Do you like working out? Like, keep the conversation going. Don't end the conversation. Like, if you could keep it going, I promise you, they're going to like that, appreciate that, and keep it going too. That's the end of dead, boring conversations. Completely cut that out. You need to respond in a way that they want to respond back. Have some interesting conversations. There are websites for that. If you type it in Google search right now, conversation starters, how to keep your conversation going, there's going to be links of pages, websites you can go to, like, what is it, Cupid, Cosmo, whatever, Cosmetalian, I can't remember what it is, but they're really good with dating advice and learning about zodiac signs and what you're compatible with and how you can keep that person if you like that person. Like, they're really good at giving advice. If I can find it, I'm going to put the link in the description. Go ahead and hook that up. Now, I gave you all the tips on how to start a conversation, get your person. Now, all you got to do is download my app. That's it. It's that simple, and it's completely free, and you'll have a boo probably by the end of the month. 2022 is our year, and if it's your year to find a boo, it's your year to find a boo-boo, and you can do it with my website. Or if it's your year to find a friend, you can do that with my website. If it's your year to find you a rich sugar daddy or sugar mama, go ahead and join my website. I mean, it's that simple, boo. It's that simple. You try to connect with other LGBT people in your community, LGBTQ people in your community, go ahead. There's my website. It's just all there. It's just all there. You should go ahead. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thank you for tuning in, and go ahead and download my free app, available now on Google Play. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great weekend. My last day of work, bro.